Everything is now. I direct my attention to this moment. Everything is now. You have already arrived. All answers, all abilities, all love, everything you ever desired is in you at this moment. Everything is in you now. You are inseparable part of universal love and wisdom. Everything is now. Direct your attention to this moment. Now is everything that is. Perceive. Perceive and do what needs to be done by you now. Now is everything that is. Direct your attention to this moment. This moment contains all the answers, all the solutions, listen to this moment. Slow down. Trust. Trust in the wisdom of this moment. Perceive. Perceive what needs to be done by you now. You know. Direct your attention on this moment and listen inside. You are loved exactly the way you are. You do not have to do anything for that. You have already arrived. Remember. You are loved now. Perceive. Direct your attention to this moment. Draw, reconnect, act. See you in my community. We draw ourselves free, line by line, week by week. This is an invitation to live your truth more and more. Connect to your truth week by week. Recharge from your everyday duties. Reconnect and move on in your desired direction. Thank you for peeking into my full guided session. Welcome to Draw Yourself Free.